In this tutorial, we're going to create a GitHub account from scratch. For this, we will follow again 3 easy steps. The first one is to go into github.com and signing up with a valid email. After creating an account with GitHub, we will make sure the default branch is main. And also we will set up our global information as guided in this link. Now, just copy this link and visit your favorite browser. For me, I will go to Chrome and I will just paste it right here, hit that. Once you come to github.com, on the right top, you will see sign up button. Just click on it and it will guide us through a few easy steps. So this is my email to create an account. Continue. I need to create a unique password. Well, I provided my password as well. Hit continue. Now you need to give a unique name as well. For now, I will just say TechGlobalTest. Continue. Here it's asking us if we want to receive some occasional product updates and announcements. I will just click on continue here. And finally, to protect your account, they ask us to solve a simple puzzle. I will click on verify and we'll do this puzzle quickly. Finally, we are done with the puzzle as well. And now I will click on create account. It's telling you that they send you a code to your email address. You should visit your email address, get the code and enter it here. For this, I will just quickly open a new tab and go to Gmail. Here I received the GitHub launch code. I will copy this and pass it right here. And once I pass it, it now asks me some more questions. For now, I will just skip personalization by clicking this. And here I got my brand new GitHub account. It's completely empty. We don't have any project to work with. Later, we will create many using create repository, or sometimes we will link the local projects. But for now, it's completely brand new dashboard. Here on the right top, you need to see your avatar with your name. Now, as the second step, I need to check the default branch being made. So for this, I will go back to my GitHub account. On the right top, as I showed, you will click on your avatar and then you will click on settings. In the settings, under the code planning and automation, you will see something called as repositories. Once you click on repositories, you will see repository default branch as main. Since it's main, we will not do any changes. Just keep in mind in the GitHub side, it is main. Later, we will make our local one as main too, so we will not face any issues. Okay, that's good. I will get this down. Now, as the third step, I need to set up my global information as guided here. I will copy this link, go to Chrome one more time and paste it here. In this, there will be lots of documentation you need to read about Git, and you can learn it definitely from here too. What we are curious about for now is just first time Git setup. I will click on this. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see your identity side. So we will need to run these 2 commands later in the command prompt. I will just copy both of them to Sublime for now. By the way, you can get rid of the $sign. It's not something we should include. So now I need to replace this John Doe and this email with my username and email address that I created my GitHub account. If you guys remember, my username was TechGlobalTest, and the email I used to sign up for GitHub was techglobal.test1@gmail.com. So this was the username, and this was the email I used for GitHub account. And I will update those with my username and email address. So now I will go back. There will be one more command we need to take, and it will be about the default branch. If I scroll down a little bit here, you can see your default branch name can be set with the init.defaultBranch main. We need to take this one as well. And I will paste it here too. Again, get rid of the $sign. It's not part of the command, just stating that it's a command to be executed. So now everything is all good. If you prepare these 3 lines, you can go to command prompt, run them one by one or all at once. I will just copy all of them together, get this down and get my Google down as well. I will get command prompt one more time by searching it. And here I will paste all 3 commands at once. As I said, you can do one by one as well. So it's asking me paste anyway. You have multiple lines, paste anyway. All of them are executed now. After you execute those, you need to go back And there will be one command to check if these are set or not. Again, we can find this from here, actually, right under the last command we got, check in your settings. We need to run git config --list. I will take this, go back to command prompt, paste it, and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you see default configurations. But what is important for us that you can see your username is this, and then email address is this, and then the default branch is main. Before it was master, as you can see, but now after we execute this default branch being main, we got main as well. So we are done. We can get this closed. Going back to our nodes, as I said, there was one command, check all your global information with the below comments. I will put all these notes under the video in the description part so that you can easily follow up with. See you in the next session.